Hello guys, I'm Shanakon Custom. Today I'm going to show you guys how I touch up my Galactic Armory Cody 1-to-1 scale helmet that I'm currently working on. I have to say first that I didn't record most of the process, but I did take some photo of it, so I will show the photo and some video instead. I'm sorry about that. I scaled down the helmet by 5% from its original size, and it somehow perfectly fit my head. This is my first time working on something like this, and I have learned that sanding process is something that you need to take your time on. I already taped the part that I'm going to paint orange on. It's going to look so good after this. Now, is it time for the whittling? I will do it by spray the dirty water on the helmet, then rub it off as much as I can. Some people ask me why I have to do this. To me, Clone Trooper, they went to war, man. The armor should not be shiny anymore. I already grew the resin part on the helmet, and I'm pretty happy on how it turned out. It looks really good. Now I'm going to assemble all the parts on the helmet now. I drilled the hole on the side of the cheek so I can use the metal rod to bond together the sun visor and the helmet together. I don't actually know how to say it though. I will show you. This. I will put this in the hole that I just showed you guys. Now it sets in, I can just bend the metal rod and it will hold the weight well. Now I assemble everything together and it looks so good. The last part is the visor. I didn't have the footage about making the visor, so I will just show you when it's done. I'm pretty happy on how it turned out. It looks so good. And this is my first time making video like this. I'm sorry for the vertical footage. Next time I will do better. And I also have Instagram page that I open for commission doing the custom figure. If you like my content, please consider subscribe. Thank you.